Ever wondered why we sneeze? It's not just a random reflex. Sneezing is your body's way of clearing out irritants from your nose. When something bothers those sensitive nerve endings, like dust or pollen, it triggers a powerful reaction. A sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. And here's a fun twist. Some people say, "bless you," because in ancient times, sneezes were thought to expel evil spirits. So next time you feel that tickle in your nose and let out a big achoo, remember, it's both a bodily function and an ancient superstition wrapped into one.